right, guys, you gotta see this. This is unbelievable. Check that out. Right about here is where the earthquake hit. This car basically dove down in, impacted the bumper right there. Then from there, he had a series of jumps where he lost his bumper and then ended up right there where that unbelievable, probably 5-foot drop is. It's literally a wall. That was impact. A once in a life experience, that's for sure. Be safe out there, guys.
Yo guys, there's predicting an aftershock that's supposed to be as, if not as strong as the earthquake. I wouldn't be on here.
You all right, man?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Who does it on the job?
Did you get that on video?
I didn't. I wish I did, though.
Standing on this, probably not the best idea.
All right. Good piece of advice. What do you think?
You imagine being in that car?
The airbags are popped.
Where's the driver?
Airbag?
This is the guy that was here in the heat of the battle. Look at all those pieces from his car. I don't know how he made it from there to here.
That'd have been scary.
Yeah. You think the driver did everything they could? You think he did everything he could? The driver?
I'm not the driver. That's crazy though.
Oh, there's the military deployed, watching the situation from above in a C-130. I want to give you guys a comparison. I'm 6'2". That's the top of the road. That's how much of a drop you've got right here. 4-foot gap at least, probably like 5 foot right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make myself safe and get myself out of this crazy spot. That's what's going up in Alaska today. Wanted to share that with you. We got some amazing people up here. If anybody knows who that driver is, let us know. Awesome to see that that person's definitely safe. Glad the car didn't fall off the edge of the road here anywhere and could have resulted in injuries and things a lot worse than a damaged car. Let me tell you, it's never a dull moment up here. Thanks for watching that video. Look forward to reading your comments below. If you haven't subscribed already and would like to see more adventure, you found the right spot. Look forward to seeing you on the next one.